not empty nesters, are we, Max?
Ready to see the inside, guys? Max, you ready to show them? Let's show them, bud.
I can set on this bad boy with. Hey, sign up today, boys. Message us and we will organize your camper for you. What do you see out there?
Hey, Max.
Hey, nope.
Stay
here.
Max.
Welcome to our channel. We are Fuzzy Rose Ahead. I'm Dave Fizzell.
I'm Holly Fizzell.
And this is our boy Max. We're glad you found our channel and we hope you enjoy our video. We started a YouTube channel about a month and a half or 2 months ago just for fun and just to kind of document our adventures. We're weekend warriors and empty nesters, and I think we do interesting things. We go hiking, kayaking, camping, camp cooking. Take our boy Max. He's had an injury lately, so he hasn't been able to hike as much, but he does love it.
Yeah, he misses it.
He misses it. He's ready to get back out there.
We are business owners in the Kansas City area. We own a house cleaning and carpet cleaning company. We do tile, upholstery, air ducts, some water restoration. We have a decent sized team. We've been doing this for 22 years this year. So that's kind of a little bit about us. We work really, really hard to be able to enjoy our weekends with our camper.
So we've got 3 kids, all grown, and you'll probably see them from time to time on our videos. We are not experts at this. It's completely new, just kind of treating it like a hobby. The videos, I think, will get better over time. We don't take ourselves too serious, and we're really just out there having fun and doing this for fun. We've done a few videos so far, but we've never had a chance to show you the camper that we take out and enjoy on the weekends. Some trips that we've done this year so far, mostly state campgrounds in Kansas, eastern Kansas. But we were in Arkansas about a month ago and recently did a float trip at the Niagara River in Missouri, which is really cool.
So like he said, we're pretty new to it. We're just having fun. We hope you guys like it and you share it. But again, it's also just for our memories and for our kids at some point as well.
Yeah, when our kids, maybe they'll appreciate it someday. Right now they think it's cheesy, I think.
Yeah, they're like, you guys are old and you don't know what you're doing, but they're gonna love it. And they probably secretly do right now, but they're just not gonna say it.
Yeah, yeah, for sure. We're going to Glacier National Park at the end of July, so that'll be a really great trip. A little over a week out there, so we'll take you along on that, film our travels out there, and
that'll be
film
our furthest
everything.
Trip ever. We're excited about it, a little anxious, but I think it'll be a good time.
This will be by far, because I think it's like a 20-hour drive from here. Maybe more, maybe a little more even.
This guy's going too.
Max is going.
I can't leave him alone that long. I can't leave him home. You're gonna go too, bud. Yeah. You go on a trip? Yeah. He's our traveling buddy.
Max is our traveling buddy.
So we're empty nesters, but he kind of makes it like we're not.
Yeah, we're not empty nesters, are we, Max? We got a boy. We got a boy still.
But he's good. He's easy.
Yeah, he's an easy one.
He's an easy guy.
You ready to go, Max? You want to go look at the camper? Let's go.
Let's go show him.
Let's go. I'm going to give you a quick tour of our camper. It is a 2019 Grand Design Imagine 22-foot, 5,400 pounds. But we'll start here on the outside. We got outside storage here, which is really great. Goes all the way through. I'll show you the other side here in a sec. See the slide out over here. We do not have power stabilizers, but with the drill, pretty simple. It's packed full of our stuff right now, but it does go all the way through. You can see, and there's plenty of room. I had to fix some leaks back there earlier this year, and I'm able to crawl all the way through there, no problem. We got fresh water fill here. Once this another cable hookup, electrical, and you got your flush here. 22 MLE tow light. This is top of the line, folks. Anyway, this thing tows so nice, like in my truck, and I just have a Chevy Silverado 1500, and half the time I forget that it's behind me, honestly.
Ready to see the inside, guys? Max, you ready to show them? Let's show them, bud. One thing that we really loved about this trailer was we are finally kid-free. So every camper we had before this had bunk beds, wasted space. They never went with us anyway. So now we have downsized to what we call a couples coach. It's perfect for Dave and I, and even our boy Max fits in here pretty good, don't you, bud? Yeah, you fit in here good, don't you? This is our little dinette. This is one thing that I was very particular about because I want to eat dinner at the table. I want to play games at the table. We have yet to play games at the table. It's campsite, so we have a nice view. Another thing we liked is this camper has so much storage, more storage than any camper we've had before. And these are deep. They're all the way back. We've got drawers. This is our bathroom. We do have it in travel mode, so everything's kind of put away, but again, we have all the storage over here. We have all of this up here, and it comes with all that storage down there.
Shower's good size. I shower in here often. I'm, about 6 foot. Fits me pretty well. And I can sit on this bad boy with plenty of space, although I try not to do that.
One of the selling points of this camper was the kitchen, because although it's not a whole lot of counter space, it's actually quite a bit of counter space compared to what you get. And we have just storage galore. This is really, really deep. That's usually where we put our food when we're traveling. We have our spice rack, coffee, and then we have these two just humongous drawers. I mean, they're deep, they're big.
What do you see out there?
Hey, Max.
Hey, nope.
Stay
here.
Max. Max.
Keep an eye on things, Max. Keep an eye on things.
You think it'd be good. And then we have the storage down there, which is pretty deep. And then we have a great big sink with our handy dandy new faucet that Dave just installed. Did you make a video on that?
No, I actually installed new faucet there. After the winter, it was leaking pretty bad, and then underneath there's also the water heater, and that's new this year also. That I professionally installed myself.
My favorite part of the entire kitchen is this. I mean, this drawer holds all these pots and pans. There's room for more. It goes almost to my elbow. Like, it's just a massive drawer. And then, of course, we still have all of our 3 more drawers there.
Yeah, normal drawers with our, different things. Some Tupperware shoved in there.
That looks nice.
Yeah, that's organized.
That's really organized.
Hey, sign up today, boys. Message us and we will organize your camper for you.
We're really good. Really great size refrigerator in here. We've had ample room every time. And then we do get this luxury Thomas Paine high-end dual recliners. There's 2 plug-ins. Right here is the massage.
Yeah.
Can you hear it? It's literally just vibrating my back. It does nothing. It's not a massage, and
No.
you barely touch it, and it's...
The only thing that does is turn on every time you get up and sit down, and it's super annoying.
It's very sensitive.
That's heat. This light turns on the cup holder.
This is where the magic happens, boys. Right here. We have USB outlets, regular plug-ins, great closet space. Each side has two really nice sized drawers, a little end table, and then up here we have all of our overhead storage. Like, one thing I did forget to show is this. We have this pretty cool shoe cubby. So you do lose like the storage that some people have under their bench, but I would take this any day over that, because when we're camping, these shoes stay in there, but all of our shoes go in there, and they're completely out of the way.
Yeah.
100%.
Yeah, we do like the shoe cubby.
And if you notice the rainbow rug, the rainbow shirt, I'm a rainbow girl. Little short back history. My father passed away from cancer, and this is the Chiefs cancer shirt from last year. And rainbows are a very big deal to me. Anytime he would text me, he would end it with the heart sunflower rainbow. And so if you see any rainbows in our videos, it's because I buy about anything that's rainbow to remind me of him.
All right, so that's our camper. Hope you enjoyed this video, a little look behind the scenes.